Nexo ventured into 2022 with organizations and advancements. The Nexo crypto relationship in the UK organization was declared on 5 January 2022 to assist Nexo with funding expand its digital currency esteem through Moment crypto credit lines. The organization's vision is to amplify digital currency's worth and utility through its Moment crypto credit lines, acquire sweet, trade, and various specific administrations. 2 days prior, Bulgarian examiners said they sent off an examination concerning affirmed criminal operations led by Nexo, doing strikes at the moneylender's office and 14 different locales in the capital Sofia. Specialists said they glanced through north of 4 million crypto exchanges on the Nexo stage and discovered some were made infringing upon EU and US sanctions against Russia, while others affected an individual known for funding psychological militant exercises. Nexo denied any bad behavior, yet alluded to a politically spurred crusade in front of approaching early races in Bulgaria. Nexo frameworks were going as of now, and everything was being handled progressively. Should this influence the public opinion about the Nexo trade in local cash? How much is Nexo worth? The present Nexo cost is $0.732356, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,968,394. Nexo is up 3.51% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 82, with a live market cap of $410,119,344. It has a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo coins and a maximum supply of 1 billion Nexo coins. With the ongoing negative market, moving toward the pragmatic worth of this technology would be great. The first objective, as per Satoshi's vision, is to make an environment around a groundbreaking innovation that will change all businesses that touch enormous information globe. What's Nexo? The Nexo stage essentially utilizes the Nexo token work over the Nexo-based blockchain framework, offering Moment crypto-supported credits. It began working back in April 2018. It had the expect to advance a stage in which gaining crypto credits are a simple undertaking. The stage offers advances without MasterCard checks and is accessible over basic government-issued money. Whenever clients have stored their crypto tokens over the stage into their Nexo wallets, they will immediately accept their advance. Nexo looks to offer administrations that guarantee liquidity well-being. By making it more productive and safe, the stage does as such through a client's computerized resources, making it significantly more watchful and effective. Nexo Profit is a significant improvement to upgrade Brilliant agreements over the Ethereum stage. These assist with putting away every one of the fundamental information connected with the credits made by a specific client. The Nexo token is an ERC20 token and is liable for dealing with the interest-shrouded security of the Nexo wallet. Foundation of the Nexo venture, Credisima, a fintech bunch, monetarily backs up the Nexo project. Credisima's monster client base of millions comes from the organization's critical experience and expertise. A Nexo specialized examination would show the various Moment credits to purchasers on the web. In addition, online business supporting and installment benefits the entire fall under their space. The parent organization means to standard capabilities for all advanced resources in the crypto market. The sponsorship of a strong and current innovation in light of crypto, for example, the Nexo project, is a beneficial venture for Credisimo, a main European fintech gathering established in 2007 with productive business. Credits have begun going out to the earliest Nexo allies. Crypto-based projects are normally under all administrative bodies' severe examination and indeed, even people in general appears to differ of the obscure. With the introduction of Nexo, and with the assistance of Nexo cost expectations, it is trusted that the circumstance will change. Various administrative bodies, for example, a few European banks and monetary help specialists control Nexo and keep a nearby mind the Nexo trade. The crypto market will unquestionably profit from the steady coin advances presented by Nexo. Placing your cash into Nexo may be a wise venture for what's to come. Nexo has been productive in the previous month, yielding up to 10.8% returns. The token has broken out of a flat pattern channel, flagging a preceded areas of strength for the time being. Nexo is right now exchanging around the moving normal of the Bollinger Groups, as seen on the 4-hour cost graph, demonstrating that the token is neither oversold nor underbought. The general strength list likewise flags an impartial cost activity. On the off chance that Nexo breaks past its obstruction at 75 cents, the chance of a further potential gain exists, yet dismissal at the opposition level could push the symbolic down to its help at $0.697. Nexo value expectation 2023. the cost of Nexo will accomplish a limit of $1.26 in light of our Nexo cost expectation for 2023. Financial backers can likewise expect a base cost of $1.09 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.12. The crypto loaning stage gained stakes in a US bank and upscaled its European association-wide permitting by tying down enlistment to work as a virtual cash administrator in Italy and winning administrative endorsement in Poland. All the more such improvements in 2023 could drive the reception of Nexo and push its market cost over the $1 mark. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. Our Nexo cost forecast for 2024 shows that Nexo will exchange at a greatest cost of $1.95. The normal and least estimate costs are $1.70 and $1.64 separately. Nexo Value Expectation 2025 as indicated by our Nexo cost expectation for 2025, Nexo will have a greatest cost is $2.86. A typical cost of $2.37, and a base cost of $2.29. New advancements in the Nexo environment will advance more use cases for Nexo and possibly drive up the symbolics cost. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. For every the Nexo cost expectation for 2026, we expect the token to exchange at a greatest market cost of $3.95. A typical conjecture cost of $3.38, and a base cost of $3.26. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. As per our Nexo cost forecast for 2027, Nexo could fill in esteem by as much as 700% from its ongoing business sector cost to reach $5.75. The projected normal and lease costs are $5.06 and $4.89 individually. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. As per our Nexo cost expectation for 2028, the most exorbitant cost for Nexo is $8.52. Financial backers and merchants ought to expect a base value worth of $6.89 and a typical cost of $7.14. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. Our Nexo cost expectation for 2029 expects an exchanging scope of $10.19 to $12.28 and a typical market cost of $10.48. In the event that there are huge upgrades inside the Nexo biological system, it will deliver a superior client experience, possibly expanding Nexo reception levels. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. In view of our Nexo cost expectation for 2030, Nexo will achieve a greatest market cost of $17.64 and a typical cost of $15.08. The normal lease cost is $14.66. Nexo cost expectation 2031. In light of our Nexo cost expectation for 2031, the Nexo token can possibly arrive at a most extreme cost of $25.09, implying a 3,000+% expansion over the ongoing business sector cost. Nexo may likewise exchange at the very least worth of $20.88 and a typical